Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Water level problems involve net change. We must find when the total accumulated area under the rate graph equals 0.
The water level is the integral of the rate function. To find when the level returns to its starting value, we look for times where the net signed area is 0. Starting at 0, the area increases until time 2, then decreases. By time 5, the negative area exactly cancels the positive area, making the total net change 0 for the first time. The area becomes negative, then positive. By time 12, these sections balance, returning the water level to 0. This confirms our result. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option B.